Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to receive money on Remitly. Now it's a very simple process. Firstly, we'll do the sender's part. So open the application, then firstly click on recipients over here, then add the recipient over here to who you want to send. Enter all the details like first name, last name, the mobile number if you want, the email address, street address and state and etc. Then also the reason for sending. So fill up all the details over here. So after filling up the details, just simply click on save. Now as you can see, the moment you will go to recipient over here, you will find your contact over there. Click on that, then click on send money, then quickly do the process of sending the money. Over here is the part where you will understand how to receive the money. Now the moment they will initiate the payment, they will have an option to choose a way to deliver the money directly to you. So as a recipient, you will have to tell your client how you want to get paid. So you can give your bank deposit details and then your client will choose the bank that you want, or if you want to do with some mobile banking, you can also give the information to them and then they will enter the information and you will get through that particular means. Or you can just simply get a cash pickup. As you can see, there will be multiple cash pickup options in your country, so there will be no problem in that either. And then lastly, if you have any money mobile application, you can also use that. So just simply tell your client how you want to receive the money and then just simply give them the information that they require for the deposit. So let's say you choose UPI because the money will be sent to India. So just simply enter UPI number. Now the moment UPI number will be added, just simply click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds and over here the name will be asked. So add your name, date of birth, click continue. Now over here it will be asked for your identity. So click on that, then fill up all the details and hit continue, and then in the end just simply click on pay. So that's how you will receive money on Remitly. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.